Hello children, how are you? Today I am going to teach you standing lines. Now look, what can you see in front of you? An elephant. And what is the elephant doing? Is he standing or is he sleeping? Yes, you are right. The elephant is standing. And we are also going to draw standing lines, just lines which are standing like the elephant in this picture. Have you seen the rain falling? Yes. How do the raindrops come? They come down like this, like this, like this. They come down like this, isn't it? The rain falls like this. So this is nothing else but standing lines. We will call them as standing lines. Look, from top to bottom. From top, you pull it down. You hold the pencil at the top and pull it down. You hold the pencil at top and pull it down. Top and down. So what is this? These are the standing lines. Now children, look at the elephant. What is he doing? He is sleeping. Look at the elephant. What is he doing? He is sleeping. He is not standing now. He is sleeping like this. So now I am going to teach you how to draw sleeping lines. So look here, sleeping lines from the left. You take the line and draw it to the right. See here, from the left to the right. From the left to the right. From the left to the right. Left to right. Left to right. Left to right. I take it at a stretch to the right. From the left to the right. Left to the right. See? Left to right. Left to right. Left to right. So what are these? These are your sleeping lines. So what did we learn now? We learned how to draw the standing lines and the sleeping lines. And with these standing and sleeping lines, we are going to write the letters in which we use the standing lines and the sleeping lines. And there are some numbers as well which use only the standing and the sleeping lines. Now let us see. Now here children, can you see these lines? How are they? Are they standing or sleeping? They are standing. Right. See here, we take them from top and bring it down to the bottom. From top to bottom. From top to bottom. From top to bottom. Top to bottom. So now here I have given you some dotted lines. What you are expected to do is hold the pencil at the top and then pull it down straight bottom. From top to bottom. All along the dotted lines. So from top to bottom. From top to bottom. From top to bottom. From top to bottom. Top to bottom. From top to bottom. So now you must tell your mother to give you dotted lines, and with the help of a pencil you should join the dotted lines from top to bottom. Right? Okay. So these are the standing lines. Right? Okay. Now let us go to the sleeping line. Now see here, you have got sleeping lines from left to right. You bring them from left to right. From left to right. Left to right. Left to right. Now look here again, I've got some dotted lines. Let me join it from left to right. Left to right. Left to right. Left to right. See, I'm not lifting my pen. From left to right. Left to right. Left to right. Left to right. left to right, left to right. See? Left to right, 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 left to right. So, in this manner, you must ask your mother to give you dotted lines so that you can draw the sleeping lines with the help of a pencil. Alright? Yes, after you have done this, I shall teach you how to write the letters.